Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm you meet level and bounty minimums, then teleport to the Thunderbolt region. Equip a fruit detector or demon fruit finder. This speeds locating the drop. Join 1 to 3 reliable teammates so you can split mobs and share revives. Once ready, set a spawn timer and stay near the landmark to catch the fruit when it appears. Make sure to have inventory space and 3,000 plus belief for any travel costs, because preparation prevents wasted attempts. Now focus on the core loop. Clear the named mobs and patrol the spawn area to increase spawn chance. Use mobility moves, like dashes and teleport skills, to kite groups and avoid being overwhelmed. This preserves stamina and cooldowns. Coordinate with teammates so one grabs the fruit while others block enemies. If no fruit appears, rotate servers every 10 to 15 minutes. Server hopping resets spawn timers and is the fastest way to farm the Thunderbolt fruit when luck is low. Finish strong. As soon as the fruit drops, assign a carrier and shield them while they pick it up. Protection prevents theft. Once consumed, practice the Thunderbolt moves in a safe area to learn ranges and combos before using them in PvP or raids. If the fruit despawns or you miss it, troubleshoot by checking your server hop timing and cooldown windows, then retry the rotation. Remember, persistence and coordinated defense are why players reliably secure rare fruits, so regroup and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.